Okay, yeah. Let's now be open. I don't feel too good because of that reason. Because I feel like I need to address something.
Later in the night, I tell him.
Okay, you guys have been before now I came in. You guys have been close pals.
I don't think so. I mean, we used to talk, but
You don't think so?
I liked him at first, but we're too mentally not compatible. So I've had that conversation with you, and you claim to like me, and you said you like the way that I think, but the moment we have a slight argument, you fall back on what I told you that people do.
Oh, I see. So he's actually, oh man, that's actually, yeah. No.